Hello guys, hello friends, hello kissables. It's me, your friend again, Scott, or MisterCMT. And this time, ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano magiging attractive by just simple steps. Being attractive, you don't have to be guapo, you don't have to be maganda, you don't have to be macho, you don't have to be sexy, you don't have to be mayaman, you don't have to have a car. Kasi nga, being attractive, it all starts from good hygiene. So always remember that. Kasi, just like me, di ba? I wouldn't want to go near a person na merong, di ba? Or mabaho ang hininga, or mabaho ang paa, or mabaho ang anit. So, being attractive actually is all about good hygiene. You have to be mabango all the time, and you have to look clean all the time. Kailangan malinis at mabango ka para maging attractive ka sa ibang tao. Kasi kahit na lalaki ka, kahit na hindi ka kakinisan, hindi ka maganda, hindi ka gwapo, hindi ka macho, hindi ka sexy, pag ikaw parati kang malinis tignan at parati kang mabango, yun ang key para maging attractive ka. So always remember that. And one piece of advice, invest on cologne or perfume. It doesn't have to be yung expensive na cologne kasi nga meron namang mga cologne na medyo mura pero kasing bango ng mga expensive colognes. Tapos, make sure na yung cologne ay mababagay sa personality mo kasi yun ang magiging trademark mo. Yun ang magiging tatak mo. Para kahit na 10 feet away ka pa lang or parating ka pa lang, pag naamoy na nila yung pabango mo o yung cologne mo o yung perfume mo, alam nila na nasa paligid ka na, alam nila na nandyan ka na. So that makes you really attractive. So anyway guys, the reason why I made this video is because I want to help some people na maging attractive in a very small way na hindi kailangan gumastos ng malaki just to become attractive. And it all starts from this kit. Ito yung MisterCMT kit ko kasi andito lahat-lahat ng mga kailangan ko para magkaroon ako ng ma-boost yung confidence ko. So let's start by showing what's in here. The deodorant. Okay, this is very important, especially sa mga lugar kung saan napakainit at very humid. So, make sure that you use your deodorant or your antiperspirant para hindi ka basa ang kilikili or baskil. Ibang pangit, tapos meron pang odor. So, you know, it doesn't hurt naman to wear deodorant, tapos makaka-boost pa ng confidence mo. Para pagtaas mo ng kamay mo, bango, di ba? Yung daldal ka ng daldal, tapos nag-chop na yung lips mo dahil natutuyo na sa kakadaldal mo, or dahil nagpalit na ang climate. So, nangyayari, nagka-chop yung lips natin. So, what we need to do is to, you know, always bring lip balm with you. It doesn't have to be very expensive kasi marami namang lip balm na medyo mura or kahit na ano, ang dami namang lip balm out in the market that you can use para medyo maganda naman yung, you know, yung lips mo all the time. And plus, it helps in promoting yung parang sweet breath kasi nga meron siyang scent. Tapos pag nilagay mo sa bibig mo, namamask niya yung odor ng bibig mo. Tapos yun, ang bango ng hininga mo. This one is very important for me kasi anywhere I go, pwede akong maglinis o magbrush ng teeth ko. This is Wisp or waterless toothbrush. So, I always carry this with me kasi nga, you wouldn't know kung mamaya meron ka ng business meeting or whatever. At least ready ka, diba, na makapag-toothbrush ng ngipin mo kahit na walang tubig. All you have to do is just to use this, i-brush mo yung ngipin mo, and then spit it out, and that's it, pansit. Make sure to floss all the time kasi yung mga food na naglalodge sa ngipin natin, oh my God, it causes bad breath. So, just imagine that, diba? Minsan pag tinanggal mo yung tinga, ang baho niya. So, make sure that you floss all the time. And the reason why I have this is because meron na siyang pick at saka meron na siyang floss. So that is the reason why they call it floss pick. So before ka makapag-meeting or you know ang meeting nyo ay lunch or dinner or mayroong ka-date, mas mabuti nang gamitin mo to para pag ngumiti ka naman walang tinga yung ngipin mo, di ba? At saka nakaka-freshen pa ng breath. pag nagpa-floss ka all the time, ang bango ng hininga mo, I'm telling you. I have here a breath strip. So, pag medyo you're in a hurry, hindi ka makapag-toothbrush, hindi ka mouthwash, just pick one strip and then put in your tongue and then that's it. Pwede ka na makipag-usap kahit kanino or makipag-laplapan o makipag-kiss ng kahit kanino. Kasi nga, fresh na yung breath mo, di ba? O makipag-usap ka lang, ganun lang. Para mas mabanguhin mo naman. Yun. This one is very important to me because this one is a stain remover sa damit. Kasi ako, every time I eat spaghetti, I end up wearing the sauce. Kaya kailangan ko talaga ito parate para, igaganyang i-rub ko lang siya. Kasi ang pangit naman kung, alam mo yun, formang-forma ka tapos may stain yung damit mo. So make sure to carry this all the time. So, ayun nga, para malinis ka naman tignan. I have here parang over-the-counter medications. Kasi nga, pag nag-travel ka or alam mo yung pag nasa labas ka minsan, tas sumakit ang ulo mo, parating akong merong dalang Tylenol with me or any acetaminophen. I don't take ibuprofen kasi I'm allergic to ibuprofen. Pero Tylenol is fine with me. These are over-the-counter, so madali na siyang Always ask your doctor nga pala if you are allergic to pills kasi that is very important para malaman mo, mamaya, hindi pa rin mabuti para sa yung pill na yun. I have here antihistamine kasi I'm allergic to some food like mushrooms and then corn and MSG. I'm allergic to MSG. Kaya I always carry this with me all the time. Or pag medyo nakagat ka ng insekto or biglang nagkaroon ng allergic reaction, this is very important. Kaya nga, I always carry this with me. Tapos, ito rin naman, this is tummy pill. It's anti-diarrheal as well para, alam mo na, minsan kasi pag nasa labas ka, may nakain ka o nainom ka na hindi hiyang sa'yo, diba nagkakaroon ka ng nagda-diarrhea ka o sumasakit yung tummy mo? So, that's the reason why I always carry this with me because ayokong masira ang araw ko or ang travel ko just because I ate something that is not hindi siya kasundo ng tiyan ko. So, I always make sure to it. Then, dito sa likod, meron siyang Band-Aid. Yung Band-Aid na to, this is also very important kasi sometimes, alam mo na nasusugatan tayo nang hindi tayo alam and it's very important to cover that wound. Kasi para hindi siya ma-infect. So, make sure to it that you carry Band-Aid with you all the time. Kahit sa bag nyo or sa wallet ninyo or anywhere, basta meron kayo niyan para lang maprotektahan nyo lang yung sugat ninyo. Hindi pa kompleto tong yung essential kit ko kasi most of the time, I always carry my oil essentials kasi nga madalas ako mahilo or gusto kong makalma. So I always carry my lavender oil with me para alam nyo na, at saka mabango siya kasi eh. So I like, carrying essential oil. Yung vapor rub. Kasi nga, sometimes when you go out, di ba, especially pag nag-travel ka, it makes you hilo. So, I just whip it in my nose. I don't put it inside my nose still pero I just smell it para mawala yung hilo ko. So, I'm going to include the, vapor rub. Bibili ulit ako, kaso ang problema, wala akong makita nung maliit na vapor rub. Kasi nga naman, the last time kasi, nakikita ko lang yung mga vapor rub na ganun kaliliit. Sa mga airport lang. Tapos, ang mahal-mahal, oh my God, yung ganun na kaliit na vapor rub. Pag bumili ka sa labas, ganito nakalaki yung mabibili mo. Anyway guys, the reason why I'm showing this to you, it's because I'll be giving away MisterCMT Essential Kit. Lalong-lalo na sa mga subscribers ko at saka mga followers ko on Twitter and Instagram. Especially sa Instagram. Kasi sa Instagram, nalalaman ko yung, alam mo na, activities ng mga followers ko. So, I would know kung kailangan nila magkaroon ng MisterCMT Essential Kit. And all you have to do is just to be a subscriber, syempre dito sa channel ko, then follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, and don't forget to be active. Kasi most of the time, yung mga madalas kong kausap sa Instagram ko, sila yung mga naiisip ko na bigyan ng essential kit ko kasi nga, they follow me every time. So, siguro naman it's my way of giving back to some of my followers and supporters and subscribers, diba? So anyway guys, there you go. Tandaan ninyo, you don't have to be guwapo, you don't have to be maganda, you don't have to be sexy, macho, mayaman, or whatever to become attractive. All you have to do is to have a good hygiene, yung proper hygiene. And it all starts from that. So, make sure to it that you are always mabango and always malinis. Okay? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you do like it, please don't forget to click the subscribe button or the MisterCMT logo. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, by the way. And please follow me on my social media accounts on Twitter and on Instagram. So anyway guys, if you have any more questions or suggestions, or if there's something that you want me to, alam mo na, gawin kong video to discuss or to pag-usapan natin, don't forget to put your comment on the comment section below, and I'll be very glad to answer all your comments and your suggestions and kahit na ano pa yan. Okay? So, once again, thank you so much, and this has been your friend, MisterCMT, and I'll be seeing you again on my next video. Bye for now!